Open the carry bag and take out the tent. Caution, the tent may open with force. Remove the tent peg stored in the inside pocket of the carrying bag. Push the pegs through the straps at the four corners of the tent. Remove the mosquito net from the carry bag and take off the elastic band securing it. Secure the mosquito net to the inside top of the tent using the clips. There is an adjustable awning on the back of the tent. To use, release the button at the bottom of the tent. Pass the strap in the middle of the awning through the button at the top of the tent. To raise the awning to the third height, pass the strap in the middle of the awning through the button at the top of the tent. Release the mosquito net by squeezing the clips. To fold the mosquito net, position the base towards you with two hands on either side. Gather the two sides together. Hold the two sides together in one hand, then with the other hand, fold the top part down to form two arcs. Drag the right arc onto the left arc to position them into a round shape. Keep the mosquito net closed with the supplied elastic band. Store the mosquito net in the carry bag. Remove the pegs located at the four corners of the tent. Store the pegs in the pocket inside the carry bag. Position the tent upside down with the bottom facing up towards you. Hold each side with a hand and bring them together by moving your hands toward the center. Keep the two sides together in one hand and fold the top part over with the other. Two arcs will form. Slide the two arcs one on top of the other to position them into a round shape. Store your tent in the carry bag.